We are now less than 2 months away from November 1st, the date at which Sanford employees must be vaccinated against COVID-19. In tonight's Eye on KELOLAND, Dan Santella takes a closer look at the mandate and the messaging for the undecided.
Dr. Jeremy Cowles is chief physician with Sanford Health. He says the mandate has been largely popular with employees.
I think for the most part, our employees are incredibly supportive of this. They understand that this is the best and easiest way to be both incredibly safe for our patients and incredibly safe for the coworkers you're standing next to every day.
When we sat down on Friday, Cowles said more than 70% of employees are vaccinated. He describes this as their, quote, lowest estimate.
Inside in the hallways, we're still treating people with horrible COVID disease. And so the folks in the hallways understand the importance of why we're doing what we're doing, that it really is trying to keep all of our people out of the hospital and all of our people as safe as we possibly can.
He says that the decision to mandate the vaccine was not difficult. Far from it.
I think in discussions with our CEO and our leadership team, this for us was a no-brainer.
Cowles says some employees have been undecided.
I think there are some employees on the fence, and we are doing everything we can to talk to those employees and make sure that they understand why this choice is important to them.
Felix Nyungamoy is one Sanford employee who isn't undecided. He's received his 2 shots. He's a learning and development specialist with the Environmental Services Department.
We have people from across the world, different cultures, different religions, different beliefs, different backgrounds, so you can see it's not very easy, and you're dealing with people who come from all parts of the world and walks of life who have different ideas about vaccines and things like that. So it's very challenging.
He helps connect others in the department with a vaccine.
Right now, with this mandate thing coming November 1st, I'm facilitating and helping them, taking them up to employee health and helping them with the paperwork, of everything that needs to be done, help them interpret whatever the situation it is, things that they don't understand, and then they go ahead and take their vaccine.
The best and fastest way to get out of the pandemic is to make sure that we vaccinate enough people and protect enough people from this virus that we're not putting people in our intensive care units, we're not losing our loved ones, and we're not having people miss work or miss school because they aren't physically well enough to get there.
Cowles highlights an individual's thinking when asked about a hypothetical employee on the fence who may reach out to him.
I think it's important to figure out why they're on the fence, and it's important to speak directly to those reasons. Some people are on the fence because they're not sure what the effects of the vaccine are long term. Some people are concerned about fertility. Some people are concerned about knowing if the vaccine was tested appropriately.
He says nuance is necessary.
I think you can speak to all of those things, but you have to pick each individual subject to make sure you're speaking to the right reason for the right person.
With Eye on KELOLAND, I'm Dan Santella.
Sanford employees do have the option of applying for a religious or medical exemption. Avera Health declined an interview request for this story, but did provide a statement, which we've posted with this story on KELOLAND.com. Monument Health sent us a statement as well. You can read all of those online. This week marks the start of several vaccination clinics put on by the Sioux Falls School District and community health partners. COVID-19 vaccines will be available starting at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at the Kenny Anderson Community Center in Eastern Sioux Falls. The clinics will also be held at the Oyate and Keene Community Centers. You can choose between the Pfizer or Johnson & Johnson vaccine. We provided a list of all the times and locations with this story on KELOLAND.com.